Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to make a drink called Iced Carbonated Maple Mocha Blackberry Natural Flavor. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes from this metal bowl into this mug. Now, you put in carbonated water, and then after that, put in the coffee, which is strong. And last but not least, you open up this container of maple mocha mix and you pour it into this mug and you stir it. And here is the iced carbonated maple mocha blackberry natural flavor. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching. Have happy holidays for the rest of December, folks.